2, 3, 4.
Dog says woof woof, cat says meow meow. They run in the garden and jump on the cow now now. Dog rolls in the mud, cat climbs the tree. They chase little butterflies and laugh with glee. Dog wags his tail, cat flicks her ear. They play hide and seek and cuddle near. At night they sleep under the moon so bright, dreaming of adventures until morning light.